Understanding at-home genetic testing kits.
At-home genetic testing kits offer a glimpse into our unique DNA. By analyzing a small sample, usually saliva, these kits provide personalized insights about your health, ancestry, and genetics. But how do these kits work? Let's break down the process, from collecting your sample to receiving your results and understanding what your DNA can reveal about your health.
Collecting your DNA sample.
Your journey begins with a simple step, collecting a DNA sample, most often through a saliva tube or cheek swab. This sample contains cells with your genetic material. After sealing your sample, you send it to the company's laboratory, where technicians prepare it for in-depth genetic analysis.
Extracting and analyzing your DNA.
At the lab, your DNA is extracted from the sample using specialized techniques. Scientists then scan your genetic code, focusing on specific markers, areas known to influence health traits or risks. Advanced technology such as DNA microarrays allows companies to examine thousands of these markers quickly and efficiently.
Translating data into health insights.
Once your DNA markers are identified, algorithms compare them to large scientific databases. These comparisons reveal connections between your genetic variants and certain health conditions or traits. The kit translates this information into personalized health insights, which might include your risk for certain conditions, carrier status for inherited diseases, and response to medications.
Understanding your results and their limits.
Your results are delivered digitally, often with interactive tools to explore your data. Keep in mind, these kits provide probabilities, not diagnoses. Environment, lifestyle, and family history also play key roles in your health. Genetic testing can empower you with knowledge, but it's important to interpret your results with care and consult healthcare professionals if needed.